Hey cruisers, welcome back to Cruising with KK. Today we're diving into an odd sight aboard Royal Caribbean's Utopia of the Seas, if you've never seen it, the elevator system. Knowing how to use these elevators efficiently can save you time and make your trip even more enjoyable. Let's get started. The cruise ship has a smart elevator system designed to handle the high volume of guests smoothly. Here's how it works. First, there are no up or down buttons in the elevator itself. Instead, you'll find a touch screen or keypad outside the bank of elevators. This is your starting point. Simply enter the deck number you want to go to. How many people are in your party? That's how many times you need to push the floor you're headed to. Have a party of 4? Press your destination floor 4 times. Once you enter your deck number, the system will assign you an elevator. The screen will display which elevator to head to. Head to the assigned elevator and wait for it to arrive. The smart system optimizes the elevator routes to reduce wait times and crowding. Inside the elevator, there are no floor buttons to press. It knows where you're going based on your initial selection. Just sit back and enjoy the ride. And here we are, your desired deck. It's that simple. A few tips. During peak times, like right after a show or during meal times, the elevators can get busy. Be patient, or if you're feeling energetic, take the stairs for a quick workout. It may seem like a pain to use at times and you might think it's taking too long, but the optimized system reduces wait times as well as a full elevator opening up with no more room for you to squeeze in. That's it for today, cruisers. I hope this helps you navigate the elevators on board with ease. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Cruising with KK for more cruise tips and tricks. Happy cruising!